If your goal is to strengthen your core and abs, then you're in just the right place. This 10-minute workout will help you get a defined look and improve your posture too, and you won't need any equipment for it. Before we get started, make sure you click on that subscribe button so you can get more at-home workouts just like this one. Now, let's get started with some side bends. Feet a little wider than hip width apart, and we're just bending to each side. Sliding those hands down that same side. And you can go ahead if you feel like it, reach up tall. We're just alternating sides here. Now this is a workout you can do every day. We're gonna go through and just hit things one time. You can always repeat it if you feel like it. And it's gonna be about 40 seconds on each movement. Sometimes we have one side and then the other for 40 seconds on each. Right here, we're just doing some side bends. We got about 5 more seconds here. And then we're gonna move into our first two-sided movement. We're gonna start on one side, just getting a knee drive and a step back. Knee drive, step back. Beautiful. I want you to breathe as you're bringing that knee up. And it's a forward knee, so we're coming straight forward and tapping straight back. Just hitting one side here. Breathe it out. And you really want to crunch. You think about getting your bottom of your rib cage down towards the top of that hip bone. Beautiful. We got about 10 more seconds here, and then we're going to switch to the other side. Nice, good. Switching feet in 3, 2, and 1. So now that foot's stepping back, knee drive. Beautiful. Breathe it out. Shoulders back and down. You really want to get that crunch in there. Good. Breathe it out. Now you can go slow or fast, whichever works for you. Beautiful. Bring that knee in. Now we got some standing movements for you. Then we're going to take it down into some floor-facing movements, and then we'll lay on the ground for the last section. Ooh, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Let's go ahead, hit some windmills. Feet nice and wide, pushing the hips back, and then taking those hands down to the opposite shin, calf, toe, however far down feels for you. Then I want you to make sure you're pushing those hips back, not folding forward. So we're getting that little crunch there. Beautiful. Nice. It's about 5 more seconds. And then we're gonna hit another crunch standing here in 3, 2, and 1. I want an elbow to the knee on one side. Beautiful. Almost like you're reaching up to the sky. Nice. Belly button squeeze to the spine for all these movements. Breathe it out, nice. Looking good, over halfway here on this side. Then we're gonna hit the other side. Beautiful, you can bring that really crunched in or just a little bit, whatever you're feeling today. Activating all those muscles. We got 3, 2, and we're switching to the other side. Grabbing up here, really hitting out to the side. We don't want to be coming in front. Really want to get that side. So we're activating all the different layers of our abs. Internal, external obliques. Those are those deep transverse and those beautiful muscles right on top for that 6-pack. Nice. Breathe it out. Almost done with our first section here. Now we take it down to the ground. Crunch it out. Beautiful. 3, 2, and 1. Let's take it down for some bird dogs. So, tabletop position. We're going to extend one heel back and the opposite hand. Beautiful. You want to make sure those knees right under the hips and your hands right under your shoulders. Looking for that nice straight line, hand all the way to the heels. 10 more seconds. Then we're gonna hit a side plank. We have a couple options for this one. Taking that side plank in 3, 2, and 1. Now, we can take a side plank right here with our elbow underneath that shoulder. Nice. Holding, releasing if you ever need to, or taking a little kickstand. If you're feeling feisty today, want to get a little spicy, and you have no issues with that shoulder, you can come up nice and tall with that kickstand. Nice straight line, head to hips, or all the way out. Stacking those feet up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Now we're going to go ahead, hit a plank from the knees or from the feet, lateral toe taps. Coming out to the sides. Beautiful. Breathe with it. Now don't you worry, I haven't forgotten about the other side. Plank. Nice. You can always go back to those bird dogs if you need. 10 more seconds. Toe taps, hold that plank if you need. Beautiful. And 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to go to that other side for the side plank. Remember, elbow can come down and just raise up that hip. Or, option, little kickstand. Or, all the way up. With that kickstand, make sure everything's lined up. Shoulder all the way down to that hand. And if you're feeling super feisty, all the way up into that side plank high. Beautiful. Nice, hold it tight. 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down into a plank again. Mountain climbers. Toe coming all the way out in line with those hands in front of you. And then bringing that knee in. Beautiful. Now, if you want, you can take it back to those bird dogs. Or just keep it up here. 20 more seconds for those mountain climbers. Breathe it out. Nice. Keep it coming. Almost there, 10 seconds. I'm feeling ya. We're gonna flip it over to our backs here in 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful, let's flip it around on the back. Hip bridges coming up. Now, we're working those abs and core. So core, all the way including those hips, up to the shoulders. So hip bridges, just bring the hips up in line with our knees and shoulders. Beautiful. Breathe it out as you're coming up. Nice, looking good. Breathe it out, breathe it out. I just have 3 more movements for you. We got this, we got this. Nice. And then 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna do some crunches, diagonal crunches. Just bringing one hand up and over the opposite knee. Now your eyeballs, I want on the ceiling. Keep that chin up, not tucked down. Bringing those shoulders up off the ground. Nice diagonal crunches. Keep it coming. Looking good, 10 seconds. Breathe it out, and in 3, 2, and 1, we're going to some knee tucks. Now you can bring one knee in at a time, and then point that other leg out. Grab behind the thigh, or on the shin, if you're feeling it. Beautiful. Almost there. About 15 more seconds, and then just one last exercise for you. And then if you're really feeling like you want to go for it, you can hit these exercises again, or I'll suggest another workout for you. Now 3, 2, 1, we're going to some straight crunches here. Eyes again, right up on the ceiling. Breathing out. Just bringing those hands right above the knees. We got this, we're almost done. You got about 25 seconds left. Keep it coming, breathe it out. Engage in that core. Engaging those abs. Almost there. I'm here with you. 10 seconds. All right, y'all, we got 3 and 2 and 1. All done. 10 minutes, you activated that whole core. If you want to go ahead, do that again, go ahead and hit repeat, or I got a great full body morning workout here for you. You can grab it anytime during the day and it'll get that heart rate up for you too. I'll see you next time. Peace.